adu erebudu shu ekwai na father oiba sister oiba matamda ekwai shi angang na kari chu khangda duna e father tokni e father oirege e yare habdo kari no haging do nate pakhang ama oiraga nisha ama oiraga tobni ko adu kita ma koi thembashi atum lage step khudinga thembashi atum lage ekwai na 잭신나 하거나 해보면 잭신로 해두고 잭신나 스텝 쿠딘다 거의 잭도 들어보디 두 비시리 암 일라이라이버디 고 일라이라이버디 에시 해봄담단 거의 이바이마 북수 거의 라이프 스타일 주 어두 공부디네 남기 누기 레 해보기 누기한테 아파가 낙거디 거의 아시리 뚝뚝뚝뚝 nanti lupa deh hari kami ada yang hai berlego atu erjo na hak na kregi na ki lupi
Sister Agnes Jubilarian,
awat pa le rabju na ki lupa ki
Sister Salami,
awat pa le rabju
Jubilarian,
kregi na kwai
Father
lokong kre
Boniface Ekman, also a Jubilarian, Assam. Welcome there.
hapo siapa dagni hapo signi atu ki promise le bagi atu kuma hembalak pam tamsu 먼저 제가 믹도 나기 wakhan도 에콰이 문문다고 아주 하이바 아주 꿈나 sister father sing 에콰이 consider 아주 kuma 템버시디 ям 라이 아주다 에콰이기 니티 에콰이보 간한바 pot amale 아주디 니티 에콰이 마스터 버도 에콰이기 프라트나 도버도 아주디 기니고 프라트나 도바 holy master 도바 actually short to Christa Naki Pangan Yography A Ngamoy Abigi. A quay Kutamnigo Nang Yography A Ngamoy Nangi Pangan Namaden Pidrapty A Ngamoy Iberico. A sheet again quite a number to Pange. Cambody doom. Mini could in the lie. A two a quite give booking up. Ma hapchin kre Jesu Christ ay brata le ay mahakita ma kachi kre ay batu atuna ay kwai thembada kan bi ba ay kwai na section na sin ba atuni nishi numishi sister na 25 years having overcome all the temptations and all the difficulties has come home to say thank you together with his father and mother, his brothers and sisters, with the St. Peter's Church members, and all of us to join her to say thank you to God for the strength he has given to her and to seek further for the future that is ahead of her. That's why today is a beautiful day, a day of joy and happiness, a day of grace, and indeed, a day of another surrender. Sister took her vow, renewal of her vow. Again, she is saying, 25 years, silver jubilee. Next issue, a shorbo surrendered, okay? Mahapo surrendered, Daudravadi, a Tandadi, Namwai, having Mahagna, Atuki, Umuk, pledge, promise, Dauravadi. A Bishop could hang Piraga. Pratana to be Rabishu. A quaidida, a what ba, num the ba, Kemba, I said, don't like go. Aduna, could hang Pire, blessing Pire, how they be there to Aduna, guarantee be here, I believe. Haptabdu, labor yade. Numit Eki Mokokta Pishamna Kut Kampirga Pratna Tobiba Atudeki Niti Atugi promise shorta promise Dogni Bishabda point Haigani Ipa shore Atuga Mahaki Machanupa Kristada Tajarga Mahaki Lepak Chow Tok Ningai Ki Putsi Chup PK Habadu Niti Hanchin Kandrabadi Atu Gitamak Prasna Drabadi Mang Rishi Tuna Hungry Habago Mang Sitfunuki Atu Gitamak Yam Nungai Bamatami Sister Mahaki Silver Nakaga Lak Kipa Madam do Madam Bishu by Shaw Nahana Tanpi Duna Ebu Matem Biro Haga Niba Matami quite line of show sister Kitamak Madame Nibire. Let's see the 25 years away confidence, security, experience, yam levy. Ishwar Taka Lede, the Tego. Aduna, Nanga, Ishwabo Kutta, Pairaga, Setapa, Adu Pai, Adu Webri, Kerikino Haida. Aina Ishwagi Kut the Pai Bamdamda. Gita Chamba Lapakanda, problems and situation Lapakanda, two Bukanda you could do hang by Yaina, the drum. How to get them up a quiet father sister Shingi, Punsidi. Naki could buy Budu, to one tamda. Lankonga, Tuba, Yay, how to get them up. Could she buy the road, Haiba, Punta, Numiki. You will do. He could buy the road. Put your hands in the hands. We have to go through. And I think you are very privileged to see your father and mother still alive, no? And I'm sure today's celebration has blessed not only his sister and her family, but all of us. And I'm sure this blessing will continue on us. And I wish all our participants God's blessing, and may you go home with joy. Also, seeing and learning from sister's life how she managed to overcome so many temptations for the last 25 years. May God bless us all. Thank you. Expressing gratitude is an art, and you master it beautifully in your speech.